right, good morning. It's about 6 o'clock. I'm heading to Lowe's. I'm gonna pick up a couple of gas fittings. Go to the bank, get some money for the granite guys. But trailer's doing good. I left the batteries running all night. I just wanted to kind of get a reading this morning. So let's take a look at what our batteries are. All right, the batteries are 90%. So that's still pretty good. I had all the lights going. The inverter was going all night. What you doing, Brandy? Brandy done dug herself a hole under there. All right, just a short video, just to say good morning. We'll run to Lowe's real quick and we'll be back. Okay, my power is at 89%, so I'm going to go ahead and hook up my inverter. I'm sorry, my converter. Plug the trailer into shore power so I can charge the batteries back up. It's very simple. Plug that in. And then plug it into an outlet at the house. All my cords I try to buy have the lighted thing in there. So give that a second to crank up. And you can see we're in shore power. Let's take a look at the batteries now and see what they're doing. Batteries are at 90%. It's putting 14.4 volts in. And you can see there 14.3. But it must be rounding up or something. But anyway. So my converter is charging the batteries now. And life is good. It'll stop charging when it gets to 100%. And it'll go into a maintenance mode. We'll get more into the converter as far as it's got a 4-stage battery charge and what the different stages do and everything. All right, I'm just waiting on the granite guys to get here. They should be here sometime between 8 and 11, so I'm gonna just take care of a couple little projects. No big deal. No big deal. Everything's all out of the way. Except for my air conditioner unit. Just over here. Alright, one last look before the granite goes on. Everything looks good. All right, shut this off. I'll be back. Alright, there's a piece of granite across the back. Piece of granite here for the side of the kitchen sink. And then bringing in the Alright, got our end tables in on the right hand side. Got our shelf in the back on. We're trimming the little corner of that one there. Get the backsplash on. We've got our countertop here. I got to take it back to the shop with the sink and cut the sink out. Pretty good. Well, those guys are fine tuning the granite. I'm working on my electronics box.